Doorstops missing or damaged can seriously mess with your walls and your vibe, so fixing or replacing them as soon as possible is a total must. Alright, so first up, if your doorstop is missing, don't just leave it hanging, literally, because your door might slam into the wall and cause a nasty dent or chip. You can easily grab a new doorstop from any hardware store, and honestly, they come in all kinds of styles, from simple rubber ones to fancy metal designs, so pick what fits your space. When you install it, make sure it's screwed firmly into the right spot on the baseboard or wall so it actually does its job. If your doorstop is damaged, like cracked or bent, just yank it out and replace it instead of trying to fix it, because that's usually a waste of time. For those who want to be extra safe, you can also add a soft adhesive pad behind the doorstop for extra wall protection. If you don't have a drill, no worries. Some doorstops just twist in or stick on with super strong adhesive. And don't forget to check the height of the stop so it lines up nicely with the door handle or edge. Otherwise, it won't stop the door properly. Lastly, keep an eye on your doorstops every once in a while. Regular checks mean you catch problems before your walls get wrecked. One of the biggest mistakes with doorstops missing or damaged is ignoring the problem until your wall looks like Swiss cheese. That's a total homeowner nightmare and costs way more to repair. Fix this by replacing or installing a new doorstop as soon as you notice any issues. Another common slip-up is putting the doorstop in the wrong place, which means it won't protect your wall properly. Measure carefully and test the door movement before finalizing the spot. Lastly, using cheap or flimsy doorstops that break easily is super frustrating. Spend a little more on quality ones made from durable materials so you don't have to replace them all the time. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without all the hassle and stress. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their skills, making sure everyone gets matched up quick and easy.